has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Iowa County in south-central Wisconsin, until 7 p.m. At 6:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mineral Point, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mineral Point, Blanchardville, Linden, Waldwick, Fayette, Lamont, Hallandale, Yellowstone Lake St. Park, Calamine, and Jonesdale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.